Hey everyone, it's Cassandra, aka Liquid Spice in Real Life. Welcome to my channel. To my new subscribers, I have 67 now, and thank you so much. But right now I'm showing you that I am moving. This was my right room. My father did all of this with some with some wallpaper he got from Home Depot. I don't know if you remember, whoever is old enough to remember, that Home Depot had these like murals with wallpaper, and they had the exotic forest, they had the beach with the ocean, and some other ones that you could put on your wall, and it was wallpaper that you use with what do you call it, glue. You know, I tried to get it off. I got this much off, but I couldn't get the rest of it off, and I tried everything. So down this point, so I put white fabric, because this was my white room. This is my desk where I used to film. And I had a chair here with a nice lamp. I had pictures on the wall. So I covered half the wall with white fabric tablecloths. I think I needed three of them. And then the bottom half, I put white contact paper. So I got all of that off. My walls are bare. I gotta do laundry tomorrow. And I'm packing up things. This is where my bookshelf that had all of my designer bags. And here I had pictures on the wall. I showed you guys my pictures when I did a mini apartment tour. I have to remove this from the wall. So this picture was his. I'm not taking it. It's going in the garbage. That's mine. So when the moving people come, all they have to do is move these things here. This one. That was my vanity. It had a whole bunch of jewelry and stuff on it. I showed you all. Move these tables, the little tables. Now going into my bathroom. My father painted this bathroom green. I hate this color. I covered it with wallpaper, so I have to remove this. Let's see, I gotta remove this when I go. I put this here. I put up these shelves. There's two, one over here, and I put these leaves on the wall. And I had pictures here of the black women in towels and in the bath and all that stuff like that. Y'all know the pictures. And next, this was his room. All of my stuff is in here. See the lamps there, the white chair that I had in my white room. These are my boxes. It's not much. It's not much at all. I have to pack other things too. So I didn't stay in here when he left because, you know, I had boxes in there and stuff. So I came into the living room because the living room was big enough to make like a studio apartment. So this is the couch. Here's the cat. Say hello. Say hello. That's my kitty, Ivy. And this is the bed. It's made up. It's just that I pushed that back, and my husband's pillow is unalived. It's unalive. It's time for it to go. I had it for years. This has to be moved, and the desk has to be moved. I'm throwing these lamps out. One, I'm throwing them out. I'm putting them in the hallway to see if anybody wants them. But yeah, that's it. I am leaving in about a month and a half, maybe. So yeah, moving to Houston, Texas. My father hadn't had a paint job in here since he moved in here. So, you know, that's that. So that's all. It's been 2 weeks. Y'all, now you know what I've been up to, because it's been 2 weeks since I made a video, uploaded a video. And I'm sorry about that, but as you can see, I've been really busy. Really, really busy. So, once again, welcome to my new subscribers, to my ride or dies. Welcome back. And I will be uploading another video on Wednesday. I went downtown on Saturday to see my lawyer. I get all the way down there and he did not show up. So I told y'all about my lawyer before. He's off. I think he needs to retire. So my little chicken. Say hi, chicken. So that's it. Yeah, man, he did not show up. I was so pissed. So that's that. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I have to tell you right now. No, I guess it's not. So everybody have a wonderful night. I know I uploaded this video before, but I put a clip in that I wasn't supposed to after this video ended. So I guess that's it. Thank you all for sticking with me. Thank you to my new subscribers. Again, you are appreciated. And I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.